In the 12th century, in the city of Cordoba, a beacon of learning, lived a man named Idris of Cordoba. Idris was not a geographer charting the boundaries of land and sea. He was a mapper of the winds. He was obsessed with the invisible force that moved ships, changed the seasons, and whispered secrets in his ear at night. His fellow scholars mocked him, considering it madness to chart something unseen. One day, Idris found a fragment of an ancient manuscript in the basement of Cordoba's great library, written in a language he had never seen before. With the help of Jewish and Christian scholars in the city, he was able to translate a few words: ship of the stars, compass of the heavens, rivers of the air. Idris realized that the manuscript was not about magic, but about a lost science. A science through which the great air rivers that encircled the planet could be traced. Legend has it that this manuscript was a guide to the making of a legendary instrument called the Astrolabe, a complex machine that measured not the stars, but the winds around the world. However, the instrument was divided into 3 parts, hidden by an ancient civilization in 3 corners of the known world. The lens of clarity, a piece of polished crystal capable of detecting subtle differences in air pressure by observing colored halos around the sun and moon. Legend has it that it was kept in the workshops of secret craftsmen in Constantinople. The copper heart, a complex mechanism of fine copper gears, responding to the slightest changes in humidity and temperature. It is rumored to have been in the possession of Silk Road traders in Samarkand. The North Stone, not an ordinary compass, but a unique magnetic stone, said to be the same type as the sunstones used by the legendary Vikings. Its location was a secret known only to a few sailors in Genoa and Venice.